Are you ready?
Welcome to the Manila Auto Salon Sports Truck Show 2024.
It's time for reinforcements.
Well, first and foremost, I'm Randy Lau, Autobot Off-Road. What I'm feeling right now is floating, overwhelmed.
For today, we take the battle to them.
To my team, to Autobot team, thank you very much. To Team Ride Max, of course, who've been with me to all my ups and downs. Sabi ko sa inyo, babawi tayo rin.
Honor to the end.
Sobrang tagal namin inantay yung time na to. Pero in God's perfect time, nangyari na.
Worth it, nakuha natin yung inaasam nating trophy. And next year, mas gagalingan pa natin para makuha natin ulit itong best of show. Thank you. Tapos makukuha ulit natin yung next year. Support lang sa amin. Salamat.
So guys, see you sa Manila Auto Salon 2025.
17 years is the best in paint. As you all know, Autobot is not a paint shop. We are a modification and an off-road shop, a PMS service center. But to win this best in paint, yung enthusiasm, there's this pump that you always want to win something. There's no award given, there's no money involved, but you just want to be part of the history that the Manila Auto Salon and Sport Truck Show, its legacy, na kasama ka doon.
Remember this. You may lose your faith in us, but never in yourselves.
Nakakatuwa. So we are so blessed and overwhelmed today. Thank you for finally seeing the gift that we have, the potential that we have, and yung skills that we have. So together talaga, we're Autobot strong.
We came back stronger and finally nakuha na natin yung best in paint natin and best of show natin na balik na rin sa atin where it truly belongs.
We hold on to each other, nagtulungan, and mostly sinorender namin lahat kay God.